to the Dail Wood Technology channel, a place to explore advanced technologies, practical experiences for wood enthusiasts, and the tense and thrilling moments of witnessing dangerous wood-related action, but also full of excitement. Have you ever seen anyone sawing wood under the stream? The woodcutter is sawing wood under the canal. When felling a tree, there are several important factors to consider to ensure the process is safe and efficient. Firstly, safety is the top priority. It's essential to ensure that the surrounding area is clear of people or objects that could be affected, and personal protective equipment such as helmets, gloves, and safety glasses should be used. Secondly, determining the direction in which the tree will fall is essential to avoid causing damage to structures or other trees. It is important to check the wind direction, the tree's natural lean, and the available open space in the area. Lastly, assessing the condition of the tree is crucial. Checking the health and stability of the trunk will help determine a safe felling method and avoid risks from rotten or weak trees. In summary, tree felling is not just a physical activity, but also requires careful consideration of various factors to ensure safety and protect the environment. I have never felled a giant tree myself, but felling such a large tree certainly requires skill, experience, and specialized equipment. Have you ever tried to fell a big tree? This is a skill that relies on the inertia when reversing and moving the vehicle forward, allowing the driver to unload the logs from the truck easily without the need for labor. With a powerful engine, the PEZZOLATO PTH400G is capable of shredding large logs into compact pieces, optimizing the production process and saving time. The machine's shredding component is made from high-quality materials, ensuring sharpness and durability throughout its use. With the PEZZOLATO PTH400G, wood processing not only becomes easier, but also delivers high economic efficiency, meeting the increasing demands of the modern wood processing industry. With wide tracks and the ability to operate in wet forest conditions, this vehicle is an excellent choice for those who need to move in harsh environments. The large, wide tracks not only provide great traction on muddy roads, but also effectively distribute the weight, helping to prevent the vehicle from sinking deeply into the ground. The Metzies in wet forests is undeniable. The vehicle easily navigates natural obstacles, such as muddy areas, fallen trees, and other challenging terrain conditions. Logging in wet forests under challenging conditions is a significant challenge for contractors and workers. Continuous rain and slippery terrain not only increase the risk of accidents, but also severely hinder the transportation and handling of timber. In harsh conditions, logging is not merely an economic activity. It also requires finesse and responsibility. Workers must operate in damp, cold environments while remaining vigilant about potential environmental hazards. The coordination between humans and machinery in this process not only enhances efficiency, but also ensures safety for everyone involved. Despite the difficulties and challenges, logging activities in wet forests still play an important role in the economy, providing valuable raw materials for many industries. The log chopping competition between two men takes place in an atmosphere of excitement and rivalry. In the vast space of the forest, the lush green canopy creates a perfect backdrop for the contest. Tree felling is not just an art, it is also a lesson in physics. The balance between force and technique is crucial. If one is not careful, it could result in a broken saw or a loss of control. When cutting, it's essential to determine the direction in which the tree will fall. This is a critical factor in preventing damage to other trees or posing a danger to workers. This tree may be very large, but with a little calculation, I can ensure that everything will proceed safely. The automated wood production process not only helps reduce labor, but also enhances production efficiency, saving time and costs. This not only meets the increasingly high market demand, but also contributes to environmental protection by reducing material waste and optimizing the production process. Thanks to advancements in technology, the wood processing industry is gradually transitioning towards a smarter and more sustainable future. A stuck skidder is trapped in a muddy area. Its non-tracked wheels spin in place, unable to escape the slushy mire. The situation becomes tense as workers realize that this tractor is crucial for timber harvesting. But right now, it is just taking a mud bath. With a powerful pull from the excavator, the stuck skidder is freed from the muddy mire. A wood-turning artisan decides to challenge himself by using scrap wood that many people consider useless. With rough, cracked, and scarred pieces of wood, he begins the transformation process, It may sound crazy, but in reality, these scraps hold their own unique stories, and the artisan aims to uncover their hidden beauty. Please support us by hitting the subscribe button. This will give us more motivation to create videos every day. While turning the wood on the lathe, the artisan notices strange shapes emerging. A piece of wood with deep cracks transforms into an uneven yet charismatic bowl. Looking at these creations, who would think they originated from such ugly scraps? In fact, they have undergone an incredible journey. Absolutely, the final product is indeed beautiful and remarkable. It's fascinating how the artisan can take what many consider useless and transform it into something unique and artistic.